Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Chrome is current and you're signed into the Google account where you want the extension. Once done, open the browser and go straight to the Chrome Web Store. You don't need extra tools, the store is built into Chrome. Make sure sync is on if you want settings copied across devices. Next, search the extension by name or browse categories. This gets you to the extension listing ready for installation. You now pick the extension and inspect the listing. Ratings, install numbers, and last updated date tell you if it's maintained. Once selected, open details to read permissions and developer information. This explains what the extension will access and why. If everything looks acceptable, click Add to Chrome. A permission dialog appears. Review it carefully, then confirm. After you accept, Chrome downloads and installs the extension automatically and adds its icon to the toolbar or menu. You finish by configuring the extension. Click the puzzle piece menu, pin the icon for quick access, and open options to set preferences. Then test the extension on the site or task you intended. This verifies it works as expected. If it fails, make sure site access is allowed and disable other extensions that might conflict. Reinstalling often fixes corrupted installs. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.